Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Terra Luna. So Terra Luna, currently the chart moving without much surprises. We've been talking about the upcoming dip up here, made you aware that this could have already been the uptrend. We touched, or we missed slightly, that target area up here, but we came very, very close. And then when we broke out of that ascending wedge, I told you that probably has been the uptrend already, and that we are going to move with a high probability now into this wave 2 target area, which is currently located between 53 and 73 US dollars. So waiting for the price to get into it. We're getting much closer now. Yeah, so this is currently working out. Gives me much more confidence in this current Elliott wave count that we have on the chart, because as I showed you here, when we started to move from this one here, that target area here, that wave 4 low, we started to set off in an impulse, and we can count this here as an impulse to the upside, yeah, in a wave 5, completed with that larger wave 1. And in my opinion, we are now getting into that wave 2 here, getting close to that wave 2. And this wave 2 is located between, again, the 88.7% fib level of this larger wave 1, yeah, and the 61.8% fib level, so between 53 and $73. Now, what I need to mention, very importantly, at the minimum target, or the minimum what that correction needs to do, is the 50% fib retracement, and that would be in this case at $82. So currently, now I can't tell you where exactly it's going to find support. It could already turn around at the 50% fib level at $82. So of course we need to see how the price is going to react to that support level. I can't tell you that now. I can only give you a momentary snapshot of the chart. The way it's looking at the moment, I think we are going to go through that 50% fib retracement, but it could already turn around here. So if we see a strong reaction to that level, that could already be the low, and then we could already move, yeah, in that next wave up, in that wave 3 to the upside. But I think there is much more space to the downside, as you see here. I mean, we're currently at $85. So as you probably just heard, my expectation would be at least $82, but more likely anywhere here between $53 and $73. I'm going to narrow it down as we get closer and as we see how the price is actually going to react to these levels. And yeah, I have updated. If not, then I'm going to do that today. I need to double check. For channel members, I'm not sure if I updated already my buy orders on Discord, but I'm going to do that today if I haven't done so. But this would be the area where I would get into Luna again, personally. Yeah, no financial advice, but personally, going to get into Luna here at this stage. And then I'm going to wait for that turnaround. And by the way, I think a very interesting level for the turnaround, if I zoom in, you can see here, obviously we broke below the 50-day moving average. That was at $90 US. I think a very logical level where we could turn around is here, the 200-day moving average within this green target area, that wave 2 target area that is basically, yeah, based on Fibonacci retracements, yeah, and the targets as per the Elliott wave method and wave count. In here you have the 200-day moving average currently at $65. I think that would be a logical place to turn around. But as I said, got key support here at $82, at 73, and then here at 65. So all three are potential opportunities for the price to turn around. I mean, we already, from that high, we already corrected down now, yeah, pretty much 30%. So I think there should be a little bit more correction potential be there. At the moment, we cannot see at least the momentum shift in any way. So if I go here on the daily chart, there is on the MACD, we are turning down, obviously. We are not slowing down the downtrend, so the downside momentum still is there. Stochastic RSI also still very low. Here the daily on the Binance, prices from Binance, but the daily RSI is now in the bearish range, but is at 40, so there is more scope to move lower. It's always interesting to see what a price is doing. And the last time, and you might not see that very well on the screen now, but typically, as I always say, when a market or when an asset has adopted a certain behavior, it typically doesn't change that. And so in that previous wave 2 here, that was in February, end of January, beginning of February, when that was closed and when we started to move in this new wave to the upside, in that wave 2 low here, we came down all the way to 30 on the RSI on the daily. So I think we're now at 40, so there's no reason why we couldn't come down to 30 again here on the daily RSI. So currently it's working out here for Terra Luna. Gives me much more confidence in this Elliott wave count, because as I said before, the Terra Luna chart looks completely different than many of the other altcoin charts. Yeah, so it is a different wave count as well, which makes it a bit more complicated to keep up with it. However, it seems to me that it's working out for now. We hit the wave 4 area here, we hit the wave 5 there, very close, but I let that go. You know, we came very close. And then here, this one here. So normally what I do when I set buy orders, I set them slightly above my target area, and when I take profits, I set them usually below, right? And I don't only set one buy order here. I've got various buy orders that I have split throughout this target area, and this is only myself, what I'm doing. Of course, it's up to you how you want to buy, when you want to buy, but for me, when I have these entry points, personally, I do dollar cost average in these entry points. Yeah, I think this is the best strategy that has worked out for me. Now, this whole scenario gets invalidated if the price drops below 47 US dollars. Then the alternative would be even more bearish. I mean, this is not a bearish, this is actually a very, very bullish scenario that I've just shown you, because, you know, we're completing the wave 2 and the next one would be a wave 3, super bullish. But if we drop below $47, then we get into the bearish one, which would see the price drop into this region here between $12 and $33 again, based on Fibonacci levels, but of the higher degree wave. We would then need to go to a different wave count. But for now, we are adhering to this. So good that, yeah, it seems to be working out. So I'm excited to see if that's actually going to happen. And then we should see a turnaround in this area. And it would make sense from a daily RSI point of view. I think we're going to get exhausted to the downside when we get into this area based on where the RSI is. I think we're going to get to 30, maybe even lower, and should then see that turnaround. Okay, that's my view here currently on Terra Luna. By the way, what happens after the wave 2? Well, a wave 3, which is very bullish, and the wave 3 should take us, yeah, somewhere up here, certainly way above the wave 1. Looking here at around $180, maybe $200, and we can only calculate that wave 3 target as soon as we know roughly where that wave 3 is going to end, that wave 2 is going to end. Could be a bit higher, could be a bit lower, so that is very important to understand. Do we need to go into the target area in one move? No, of course not. I think still we should see here in a wave 2 normally also a little bit of a more of a 3-wave move, like we did here when we came down from when we did that, came down here A, B, C, yeah, or even here if you count it like that, A, B, C. You want your 3-wave move, and at the moment it looks just like a straight line. So you want your ABC play out. So A coming down, B going up, C coming down, making a lower low, getting into the wave 2 target area. Yeah, going according to plan at the moment. Hopefully you liked the update about Terra Luna. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership, where you can get access to the Telegram live chat, the Discord server, and the weekly live stream every Sunday at 5 o'clock UTC. And also, yeah, check out the channel membership on my website or here on YouTube. And also check us out on Instagram and Twitter. And for that, you can find the official links in the video description or on my channel page. Please don't follow any other More Crypto Online channel, because only the official links you can find here in the video description. There are many scam accounts, unfortunately, and I can't really do anything about them. I reported them. But yeah, it's now up to Twitter and Instagram to obviously do something about that. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.